Darcei! Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. On today's episode of Black Girl Tries, we're gonna be taking a journey into the past. Back to the 1950s when the average salary was $3,000 and everything was left to some guy named Beaver for some reason. But today, we're gonna be focusing on the beauty of the 1950s. Now, I don't really know much about 1950s beauty or vintage beauty in general, so I had to look it up. So I looked up, what in the heckaroonie is 1950s makeup? And this is what I found. Alrighty, so some notable beauty icons of the 50s include Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, and Grace Kelly, all possessing an elegant beauty, style, grace, perfectly coiffed hair, effortless elegance. Yeah, this is gonna be a hard one. So let me take notes. I think I'm gonna need a tutorial. Did they have makeup tutorials in the 1950s? YouTube.com 1950s makeup tutorial. Oh my god, they did! Alright, so apparently this is a 100% authentic 1950s makeup tutorial from 1951. Let's watch. Hopefully we can follow this and get that classic 1950s look.
And now for your satin clean skin and makeup. A clean look makeup to bring out all your natural feminine beauty.
Okay, so this is gonna be a clean makeup look to bring out all your natural feminine beauty. I can't wait to look feminine.
Makeup is a study in itself. You'll want not only to know how, but when to use it. For instance, you wouldn't anymore go to school wearing mascara and eyeshadow and lipstick than you would go to school wearing an evening gown.
Oh, how the turns of table. If whoever's narrating this saw Kylie Jenner. But also, what is going on here? What is happening? What is this? Why are we nuns? What's going on? Apparently I need something to cover my head to protect it from I don't know, but I need some sort of protective headgear. The closest thing I have to whatever is on their head is this shirt. So we're gonna put this shirt on.
How do you solve a problem like Maria?
Why is this low-key fire though?
Consider first a foundation. Whatever the type of foundation, smooth it into the skin. Blend and keep blending.
First thing we're doing is putting on our foundation. And she seems to be just applying it with her fingers. I'm just gonna take my favorite liquid foundation and apply that with my fingers. Here we go.
Throat and face to add a texture and color tone. Whatever the type of foundation, smooth it into the skin. Blend and keep blending till the foundation is completely unnoticeable.
I just wanna rock you all night long. Oh, I wanna rock you. So we have to keep blending until it's unnoticeable. You wanna look like you didn't put foundation on at all. I already miss my beauty blender.
To choose the right color, study yourself. Your total coloring is strictly your own. Experiment on your face to find the right foundation color. For a skin that tends to have too much color, use a light foundation to take away some of the color. For a skin that tends to have too much color, use a light foundation to take away some of the color. But whatever you do, don't use your foundation as a thick mat. No matter how thickly you put it on, you can't hide a badly cleansed, broken out skin.
You know, they got some pretty good tips here for a natural face. I just find it really weird. Why are all the makeup artists old white men in lab coats? I like how they show them putting on the makeup completely wrong at first, and then the old white guy comes in, he's like, oh no, baby girl, what is you doing?
Now to the question of rouge. Use lightly and blend it on.
Alright, so next thing we're putting on is blush. And we gotta put it right here on the bone under our eye. So my favorite natural looking blush right now is this one called Underclassmen from ColourPop. Once again, just applying with our fingers. Nice little rouge. Alright, looking good.
And slightly below the bone under your eye. Again, blend and keep blending. Upwards, and you add sparkle.
I just want to add a little bit of Cabbage Rose from 3CE. Just give it a little bit more color. Yes!
Rouge, unblended into the skin, used heavily, makes you look older. If it's noticeable, it's badly used. This is true too with accenting eyebrow color. The eyebrows frame the... Sketch out the line of each hair in the direction in which the hair grows, beginning with the line parallel with the corner of the eye.
Brows are kind of thin, and mine are not. Mine are not kind of thin. And you want to make sure your eyebrow is all the way at the corner of your eye. Keep going. Keep going. Is that right? I think that's right. And then you just brush it through.
Now, brush the hair up with a dry brush.
Oh my god. What the hell is that? Let's do it again. It's that gangster loving that just got me bugging. I look so gangster right now. Oh yeah. I just want my eyebrow to be super long. Oh, I want my eyebrows.
Eyeshadow is also an aid to eye beauty. Blue for blue eye. Using just a bit of the shadow on your finger, begin tracing the line as close to the lid edge as possible. Here, green is used for hazel eyes.
Damn, nobody in the 50s had brown eyes? I'm just gonna assume that for brown eyes you use brown. Okay, so apparently you just gotta apply it close to the edge as possible on your eye.
Start halfway across the lid. This makes the eye look larger. Now blend and blend. Right out and up toward the hairline. Use tastefully, use sparingly, then apply just on the top lashes only.
Apparently mascara in the 1950s did not look like this. It looked like this. Not doing this right, I don't know. Probably should have looked up the instructions. Then you just dip the brush in it, and then you use it like normal, I guess. Oh my god, I think it's working, guys. It's working! Ooh! This is sick. My lashes have never looked so fluffy. So luscious.
As always, you can check color by effect. Do you notice the lips themselves? Or do you say, there is a lovely woman?
So you want a lipstick that doesn't overpower your lips. One that says, there is a lovely woman. I don't know if I have one like that. I have this rouge. This rouge?
For the cleanest, most natural line, use a brush. A little patience and a little practice, and you'll be an expert.
I never put on lipstick with a brush. This is so weird. This is strange. I don't know if I like this.
Brush in lipstick, filling the line right out to the corner.
Okay, almost done. Do I need more blush?
Unblotted lipsticks are pasty looking. Blot for the smooth, clean, natural look.
So now we have to blot our lipstick for a smooth, clean, natural look. How did she get so much lipstick off? How much was she wearing? This is how much came off my face. Bruh, this is all that came off. How did she do that?
Now for powder. Take a clean piece of cotton. Use fresh each time for absolute cleanliness.
So apparently in the 1950s, you would apply powder with cotton, like a giant piece of cotton. Hold on a second. It's that gangsta loving that just got me bugging. I just wanna rug you. Apparently no one in this house uses cotton balls, so I just have cotton pads. They're made out of cotton.
Use fresh each time for absolute cleanliness. Fluff on powder for a softening effect. And then brush and brush off.
Wait a second. Whoa. Wait. Ah! Oh my god, why do I look so good? The powder's really doing it for me.
For a final professional touch, take a sponge, Dampen it only slightly and pat all over your makeup.
Wow, so even back then, they were still using beauty blenders.
Your 1, 2, 3 beauty plan complete. It's shining beauty, naturally emphasized with a natural makeup.
Et voila. I think we've got the makeup down now, but what we need is our hair and outfit because you can't go outside looking like this. I mean, actually we could. It's kind of a look. Let's take this thing off finally. These clips are starting to hurt my ears. And this was the most vintage thing I could find in my closet, so we're gonna put this on and see what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I have this cute little wig. I haven't worn short hair in a while, so let's try this out. Oh! Alright, so I'm just gonna curl the bangs. Everyone seems to have really curly bangs back then. So we're gonna try that out. Ooh, curl! Oh yeah, I feel vintage already. I feel like a 1950s housewife. Call me old-fashioned, but I was raised to take care of my man. Chew his food and spit it directly into his mouth. Treat him like a big, fat, oversized baby. That's exactly the kind of wife I will be.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay.
My bang's in place. Let me know how you think I did in the comments down below. And make sure you guys leave some suggestions for the next Black Girl Tries in the comments down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I love ya so much.